After years of silence, this 1965 Mustang rests forgotten. Dust hides the story written into every panel. Time has left its marks deep in the metal. The hood opens, revealing long-neglected machinery. Leaves, rust, and age fill the engine bay. Inside, the cabin tells the same story of decay. Even the tires have surrendered to time. The journey begins as the car is carefully recovered. A new chapter starts inside the workshop. Years of dirt wash away under steady pressure. Foam settles slowly across tired paint. Every stroke removes another layer of neglect. Details once hidden begin to reappear. Mud releases its grip from the wheel arches. Chrome breathes again beneath the grime. The fastback roof slowly regains its form. Water clears the surface, revealing age and promise. Air pushes moisture from every seam. Soft cloth brings the first gentle shine. Clean but worn, ready for deeper work. The door opens after years of resistance. Bolts loosen with careful patience. The seat lifts away, releasing trapped dust. Fabric crumbles under time-worn fingers. Old carpet peels back, exposing hidden damage. Rust tells the truth beneath the surface. Screws release their hold on the dashboard. Wiring disconnects slowly and safely. The steering wheel comes free at last. The console leaves its place in silence. The headliner falls, brittle with age. Clips pop loose one by one. Only bare metal remains inside. Loose debris disappears into the vacuum. The Mustang rises for its first inspection underneath. Stubborn bolts resist before yielding. Years of grease cling to suspension parts. Rust begins to surrender to steel bristles. Degreaser dissolves decades of buildup. The frame slowly reveals its true condition. Grinding removes corrosion layer by layer. Bare metal emerges under steady motion. Clean surfaces prepare for repair. New metal is carefully aligned in place. Tack welds secure the foundation. Seams are sealed with controlled precision. Welds smooth into the original shape. Protection is brushed into the repaired steel. Components rest neatly before rebuilding begins. Old bushings are pressed free. Fresh bushings slide into position. Suspension parts are cleaned thoroughly. Protective coating seals the finish. Brake components come apart carefully. Cleaner strips away residue and dust. New seals restore braking confidence. The chassis receives lasting protection. A quiet pause allows everything to settle. The engine lifts free from the bay. Mounted securely, the rebuild begins. Valve covers reveal the heart beneath. Pistons slide out, worn but complete. The crankshaft shines once more. Cylinder walls are refreshed with care. New rings promise renewed strength. The rotating assembly comes together. Fresh gaskets seal every surface. Bolts tighten with measured clicks. Timing aligns perfectly once again. Valve covers receive fresh color. The carburetor is rebuilt piece by piece. The engine regains its factory finish. The V8 returns to its home. Mounts secure the heart of the car. Sanding smooths years of imperfections. Filler restores lost contours. Panels are leveled with patient strokes. Gaps are aligned with millimeter accuracy. Primer lays the foundation for perfection. Matte surfaces dry under soft light. Wet sanding refines every curve. Final wipes prepare for paint. The Mustang waits inside the booth. Wimbledon white flows evenly across steel. Gloss builds with every pass. Paint cures in quiet anticipation. Clear coat seals the finish. Warm lights complete the curing process. Chrome trim finds its place again. Badges return with perfect alignment. Glass settles gently into seals. Lights restore the Mustang's gaze. Bumpers reflect the workshop glow. Wheels mount with balanced precision. Sound insulation softens the cabin. Fresh carpet reshapes the interior. Seats anchor comfort once more. The dashboard returns, fully restored. Gauges reconnect, ready to speak again. The steering wheel locks into place. Polish begins, revealing deep clarity. Machine buffing perfects the surface. Hand finishing adds final warmth. Chrome mirrors the room around it. Tires gain a rich, clean finish. The engine bay receives its final touch. The key turns for the first time. The engine idles smoothly and calm. The Mustang moves under its own power. Light dances across flawless paint. Every angle reflects the journey. A legend reborn. 1965 Mustang, complete.